Welcome back to my studio. It's Yvette Mecca. Let's create. Hey you, hey you, hey you, and hey you. Greetings, everyone. Thank you for joining me for this last episode. I'm wrapping her up. The keeper of this journal, Jordan the Gypsy, she's done. She's done in this particular area, and she is getting ready to move on, my dear. Yes, she is. But before she does so, let me show you her journal. So I have used the Magical Celestial Kit created by Be Happy Stationery, and you can get the kit off of her Ko-Fi shop. There is a percentage off, 40% off, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and I've done 3 prompts in the journal in conjunction with the Junk Journal July UK challenge. I want to say it's a prompt challenge, but it is catered to self-care. So you take the prompts and you pretty much, give your perception within your journal using those prompts. So I did that with the kit. Okay. So here is, make sure we're in frame here. Oh my gosh, I was not. I apologize. So I'm going to open the journal. Okay, first, if you have not seen what I have done the past 3 videos prior to this one, you might want to go and take a peek. The very first, which would have been 4, total of 5, will show you all of the papers that are in the kit. And I show the makings, or the bits and pieces used to put the cover together as well. In this journal, I have constructed this journal so that this has a pocket. I did not tell you that. I apologize. It has a pocket on the outside of the journal. And when you fold it over, it has an additional pocket here, which is actually an extension that goes from here all the way to here. Okay. It was made with the Amazon packaging, and I am leaving this area open because the kit primarily has a lot of tarot cards. And again, this journal belongs to the Gypsy Jordan, and she goes around and she gives tarot readings. So this holds her tarot cards. And when she goes, she has no fancy setup. So she pretty much just lays this across her lap or lays this across the table of the person that she's giving the reading to or for. And she puts her cards here. So we're going to open it up. I have a few sentiments that are not a part of the kit. Like I said in the first video, you'll see what papers are. I do have a printable on my Ko-Fi shop of some of the sentiments that you'll see throughout the journal. So the first opening is a tuck space here, and it has a few it has 2 of these postcards that are not a part of this kit. It is a part of another kit that the Be Happy Stationery has created. So we have the 2 postcards from that kit. It's a total of 4, so there'll be 2 further along in the kit, further along in the journal. And in this kit, there was a stamp that I stuck in here. This is one of the tarot cards. So that is in that first pocket. Stick that back in there. And I put in here a tarot spread for soul path and guidance. You can journal on the back of that, or you can use the spread to go here. And then we have boundaries. Actually, let me put the boundaries first. I don't think I want the soul. Do I want the soul bath to go here? Let me see. I might leave this blank for now. Here is the double doors that enter into Jordan's little sanctuary. And this, my dear, is the beautiful Jordan. Behind her photo, you'll find a note for whoever obtains this journal. So I'll tuck that back there, but that is there. And we're going to turn the pages, which are made from paper bag. We have another tuck spot here. A few of the sentiments that I created. Tag and circles from the kit. Paper from the kit. The tabs are from the kit as well. And this is the first prompt that we did, the flower show and the journal. We're going to turn and keep turning. Here's some of the paper as well. And I created a pocket with one of the tags inside. Another prompt from the challenge, the self-care, for the Junk Journal July, was doodling. So I did some doodling on the back of the negative spaces that I had exposed in the journal at the time that prompt was done. And that's one of the tarot cards, one of the pockets from the kit. I did some painted paper, some painted pages per se. We have another, a tag. And this is something that I created. The moon knows your magic. It has the moon phases. So if you spin her around, you can take out this little slip of paper here, and it has moon rituals on it. It's a checklist for that. And the moon phases as well. So we'll tuck that back in here because she is not just a tarot reader. She's a gardener. She's a healer. And she gets around. She gets around and she knows her stuff. We have a hidden pocket behind here with 2 of the tags from the kit as well. She's into whole health and wellness. So you ask her something, you never know. You will probably get an answer. It's pretty accurate. Here's her bookshelf. I added one of my jars with my flowers. I love them so much. Let's put that soul path here. We have some copy dyed paper, and it have a quote here: self-confessed book addict. And that's Jordan for you. She does a lot of reading. And here's the center of our signature. We have a cluster here that I created. And one of the sentiments, goddess energy. I'll keep turning to find 2 more of those postcards that I've mentioned to you. And this little pocket tuck up here in the corner is from the kit. Some of my painting. And this is one of the tarot spreads that are available so that she can practice her beauty because she's so beautiful. I wonder why. This is one of the envelopes from this mini kit that I created. It folds over, and underneath it reveals a pretty pause recipe for tea. This particular kit and this spread was for daily rest and pause. Pardon me. I'm going to keep turning to find some more of that doodling I did for one of the prompts, for the tiny doodle prompt. Let me close that right there. Yeah. And then I'm going to come to another pocket with the paper from some of the paper from the kit. We have a tag in this pocket. We have some more. Oh, no. This is one of the letters. One of the letters from Jordan that she pretty much wrote to herself. So that's tucked in there. Some more of that gorgeous magical celestial paper. And we have, it's not a tuck, it's just a little fold over. And we have Jordan here again. A sticker I created. She gathered light sunlight and wore it like armor. So this is just some journaling space, some more of my painted paper, some paper from the kit itself in here as well. Up top there is a top loading envelope, a top loading pocket with paper in one of the stamps, or two of the stamps because it's double-sided. The opposite side has the same, a top loading pocket, but this one has a circle. It has one of the circles, I call them medallions, but it has the circles instead. I chose this page to be our little bookshelf. So we have a belly band here and a shallow pocket here. And then here is a shallow pocket to hold the mini cards. This bottom interacts like so. See the belly band there, and then you just slide it in and goes into that shallow pocket. I'll keep turning to an empty page for some journaling. I put some washi down the side. Oh, and I used some of my my tape that I created throughout the journal as well. And that, my dear, is the end of the journal. More space to write. A little piece of that vellum that we started off with. But on the back side here, not only do we have more rooms for another spread, we have another pocket. And we have a sentiment here as well. Not all who wander are lost. And I totally forgot. Please forgive me. Let me get that situated right there. Here, when I flip this open, we have a sentiment here. And this one says, I used to overthink. Now I overprotect my peace. Thank you all for joining me once again for another design team project. This was super fun. Definitely up my alley. I cannot wait to get my hands on more kits like this. I am into whimsical kits as well. So yeah, this was right up my alley. This will be the last kit until September. I will not be doing a kit for August, but rest assured, when I come back in September, I'm thinking of putting this journal along with the last journal that I created for the team project in my Ko-Fi shop. I work really hard on these journals, guys. Some of them I will definitely be giving away, and others I will put in my shop. So with that said, thank you. It was fun. And I will see you in September with another design team project. Until we meet again, you go, be great, and create. Peace. Enjoying my content? Well, come join our creative tribe. Subscribe, like, and share. I don't mind at all. Thank you.